In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how you can easily view and download your invoices with My Workplace. To view your invoices, first log in to My Workplace using your user credentials. In your profile, select Invoice History. Here you'll see an overview of your past invoices, including the invoice search function. On the far right, you'll find the download column. Then you can download either your entire invoice history or individual invoice details, including the detailed connection overview as a PDF. Simply click the corresponding icon, and the file will be saved directly to your computer. In the list of invoice details, you'll find all the products and services you've used, including the product description, so it's clear what you're paying for. Using the resource ID, you can see in which project the usage took place. This is supplemented by the billing quantity, unit price, and total price. Now you know how to keep track of your invoices in My Workplace.